Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix cannot verify server identity. If it is written identify of mapgmail.com or anything like that, and you see cannot verify server identity in mail app or anything like in Safari, which is as a mail app. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to simply close this page, and after closing this page, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after checking for Wi-Fi and internet connection, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second, and after that you have to simply turn off. And after turning on airplane mode for some second, you have to turn it off, and you have to make sure that your Wi-Fi router is working properly. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and here what you have to do, you have to simply go to setting, and after that you have to scroll it down and you have to click on general. In general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on reset, and you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. And after going back, what you have to do, you have to simply open the mail app, and you have to check that you have already connected an account to mail app. And after connecting the account, you have to check it is working properly. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply press and hold the map account, and after that you have to simply add account from here. Moreover, you can also click on remove app, which means you can simply remove the mail app from here. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply search in the app store and you have to simply install it again. And after that, if the problem is still there, the only solution is that what you have to do, you have to simply restart your iPhone. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold the power button and volume button, and after that you have to simply power off your iPhone and your problem will be solved. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.